Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to find the maximum and minimum value present in a column of a table in PostgreSQL with the help of nodejs. So let's get started. So here I'm having a sample nodejs code to connect with PostgreSQL, and if you want to watch the entire tutorial of this, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've already done that. So now let me just explain you the code. We'll be using two libraries, which is going to be PG as well as Express. And here we are having the collection variable, which basically has the parameters like username, password, database name, everything. And then we are connecting with that connection variable. After that, it's a normal stuff, the post, fetch, the CRUD operations, and here I am starting the server on this particular port number. So this is basically my code over here. So now let's go and add here another path to find our minimum and maximum value. So it's going to be app.get, which is fetch function. So the reason why we are using that is because we aren't gonna post or update any data. We're just going to fetch the minimum and maximum value. So that's the reason why you need to use get over there. It's going to be slash, let me name it as min max, and of course the request comma response callback function. And next is going to be the query. So it's going to be const query equal to, within single quote, it's going to be select min, and within min you need to pass the column name. So in my case, this is my table, and the column that I'm going to find the minimum and maximum value is ID. So in my case, I'm having name and ID, just two columns. I'm going to find the min and max for this ID column. So you need to specify your own column name over here, min of ID, as we will be having a name for that value, okay, like a key for that value. It's going to be min underscore value, comma max. This is a function, okay. The min and max are inbuilt function. Max of ID, as we'll be having the max value from table name. So it's going to be from your table name. So in my case, my table name is demo table, so I will just put it over here. That's it. So this is like a basic SQL query. Select min and max from table. That's it, with a column name. So simple query. Next one is going to be running the query. So for that we will be using our connection variable. Con is my connection variable. In the case, this variable dot query, we'll be using the query function, and within that we need to pass our query variable, okay, both are different. So pass this inside this, comma another callback function. It's going to be error comma result. So in case of any errors, it will be caught by the error, and the result, basically the min and maximum value, will be coming in the result variable. So arrow function, and if there are any errors, we can just have response dot send error, or you can just console anything. That's totally up to you. Else what we can do is we can just have a console dot log at the moment, console dot log the result. That's it. So now we are good. We just save this, and this is my program, main.js. So it's going to be node space your file name with the extension. That's it. The server is running and connected. So I'll just go to postman now, and you need to change the operation. So I'll just copy the path. You need to go to a new tab. The operation is going to be get. So in case if you're having something else, it needs to be get, and make sure that you're having this http://localhost, and this port number corresponds to the port number that you have specified over here. Make sure they are same. After that, just copy the path and put it over here. That's it. Now if you send it, basically we won't get any response over here, because here we are not sending any response, we are just consoling it. So if I go to the console, here you can see we are getting these many values, and the important thing is that here inside this result thing, we are having a key called as rows, and inside the rows we are having this min value 1 and max value is, I don't know, this some 2 with a lot of zeros. because that's the largest number and this is the smallest number. 1 is the smallest number in the column. So we're basically getting this. But the thing is, we need to access this variable. We don't want to like just send result. Okay, we need to like destructure this JSON and we need to access only the minimum value and maximum value. So now let's see how we can do that. Okay, so for this, what you can do is just go to the next line. It's going to be const. Basically we are just going to destructure it. Okay, const open curly bracket, and this is the values that we're getting. So just copy this thing, min value comma max value equal to result of rows, result dot rows. So by this statement we are accessing this key. So this entire JSON is result. Okay, this entire JSON is result. Dot rows corresponds to this list. So if we do now, maybe like let me just console that thing itself. It's going to be result dot rows. Yeah, saving it, and so if I hit it again, and this time you can see we are directly accessing the list inside it. So if I go here and put here rows of 0, this corresponds to this element. Okay, so if I run it again, this time here you can see we are not getting that list, but rather than that list we are accessing the element itself. So now here we need to assign like this. So by this way we will be able to access min value 1, this is 1, and this is this large number as max value. So basically that's what we are doing here. We are just destructuring and accessing this particular element's value. And now final thing is we can just send it. So for that it's going to be response dot send, and we can just have here a JSON. Maybe I just want to send it as a JSON, so I will just have a JSON like this min. You can send it however the way we want, so it's totally up to you. I'm just doing this. I'll just have here min value comma within double quotes max. I'll just put here max value. That's it. So this will be coming in our postman as a response. So I will just save it. I'm just assigning these values, and this is the key name. This is like a single JSON structure. So I'm stopping it now and running it, and I will just send it. And here you can see in the response I'm getting here min and max and the values also. So this keys are coming over here, and you can just do however they want. I'm just doing this way. So that's the video, guys. This is how you basically find the minimum and maximum value in PostgreSQL using Node.js. So I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in Node.js, CRUD operations by using Spring Boot, MongoDB, MySQL, other AI tools, and AI tutorials using OpenAI, Gemini AI APIs. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.